Good morning, Year 5. Today we are going to continue with the conversion of different metric units. In this case, we are talking about measuring units for length, and we are supposed to convert our centimeters into millimeters in the first question. If you know that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, think about how many millimeters would there be in 6 centimeters. If you said I'm going to multiply 6 by 10 because I know that there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter, and therefore I'm going to get 60 millimeters as my answer, then you are correct. Please use this conversion, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, in order to work out the rest of the questions. In question number 3, you need to know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters and that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. If you know that, then try to figure out how many millimeters there are in 1 meter. Equally, you can take a meter if you have that at home and count in tens in order to find out how many millimeters you've got in 1 meter. In question number 4, you need to convert centimeters into millimeters first. So use the same conversion. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Then 1 meter equals 100 centimeters in order to work out these questions. In this set of questions, you will be facing some challenges. In question number 5, you need to remember how we went around our houses in order to measure different objects, objects of different length. And in this case, you need to imagine that you are measuring the playground. So if you're measuring the playground, for example, in our school, which of these measuring units do you think would be the most suitable one? So remember, when you measure something really long in your home, maybe a wall, length of a wall, which measuring unit was the most suitable one? Which one would you think would work here and why? And also then think about how many meters would there be in 563 centimeters if you know that 100 centimeters make 1 meter, are the same as 1 meter. Equally, if you have a paper clip, in question number 6, you can measure that paper clip and think about which set of measuring units is the best for that, whether you're going to use millimeters or centimeters. Why would that be the most appropriate? And how many millimeters would you have in 0.8 centimeters? In this question here, you need to think about how to convert all these measuring units into the same unit. So since you were already given 2 values in centimeters, a good idea would be to convert them all into centimeters before you try to work out who is the tallest or the shortest. In question 8, the depth of a plank is 15 millimeters. What they mean by the depth of a plank is how wide this side of the plank is, the width of it, and then you have to multiply that number, this depth, by the number of planks you have got. You will have an overall number in millimeters, and then you have to turn those millimeters into centimeters. Equally, in question number 9, you need to convert your meters into centimeters first in order to work out this question. And once you get the answer, you have to convert that back into meters. In question number 10, you need to think about the number of coins, 20p coins, that you will need to make 4 pounds. Once you got that number, you will have to multiply by 2, and you will have your you will know how tall these coins are in millimeters. And finally, once you found that out, you will have to convert that into centimeters.